No pressure.
It's game day. It's a special game day. My old team versus my new team. Reapers versus Bulldogs. It's a couple of us that got something to prove today, but it's gonna be a fun day. So we're gonna start our day off at Dick's early in the morning. Wake up, bake up. Let's get to it. Luxury fitness trainer. This is Live Through Me Fitness. Welcome, welcome. I still do this, all right? This is the reason why it's called Live Through Me Fitness. This ain't no, oh, I used to do this. It's that, no, I'm here, right here, lock. Oh, okay, yeah. I'm here to help anybody that want to better their health and wellness. Athletes, you want to come competitive edge? I got you. This is a whole crazy madness. That's why the game is so special. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like all this started with Deago Osama when he turned his shit in on Osama.
Diego fault. Diego fault.
Do you have a phone number with us?
Oh yeah, 564-350-0461.
Look at Chris.
Look at it.
Chris Haynes, game day drip.
Decide for it, bro.
We getting right. I'd probably still been a Reaper if it wasn't for Deago Osama and your ass.
That's cap. Fake news.
Game plan, how to stop the Reapers. Running team, you know they love Thurston. They got another guy they love, CK, both at running backs. We know the hunters are going to be out there. A lot of hunters, all 20 of them.
What's the over-under on Thurston yards today?
He ain't getting to the 50.
Oh, man.
So see me at the 50. We know they got a D-line for sure. They pride themselves on their line. But we got to put up points. The game is about who can put up the points. And so Bulldogs, you know, we're going to have to do what we got to do. I know I'm going to do what I got to do. I'm going to make it happen. The game starts at 6, it's about 5:15. So we're finna speed it up a little bit. You know, I just got there doing something, you know, some wellness coaching.
Got a game at 6, it's 5 o'clock, you ain't there yet? That's how that works in semi-pro?
I mean, in semi-pro, you still gotta make that bread too, though. Cause they want them feeds. I don't need long to stretch, I don't need long to do nothing. Hey, you need me to tape the ankles, guy? I'm training for the day.
Oh, you want to do it before you get on? Before y'all go on your side?
Oh, sure, why not?
Yeah, you can tape me up real quick. Straight. You need to tape your knee up. What about that knee?
Diego, what time is it, bro? What time is it, Diego?
I can't even count because our quarterback.
And is it
5:45.
5:45? What time's the game supposed to start?
Start at 6.
It's supposed to start at 6, right?
People not here to open the gate.
We can't get in the gate. 6 o'clock party starts. 7 o'clock game time.
Game time, man. Point toss.
Point toss? Oh, this is going down right now, huh?
Yeah.
White.
They're going down right now, huh?
Tell him what you're going to say. What do you say? Blue is the call. White it is. Which way you kick?
Oh, Osama.
Stand over there next to Mike.
Osama.
Mike.
Point toss. What's going on?
So. White wall.
He's better than the man in front of you, man. That's it. Play for the man next to you.
Alright, man. We're gonna blow this shit out the gate.
Here we go, fellas. Here we go. Come on.
All right.
Hey, good shit, boy. Hey, get some water now. Stay ready.
There you go. Let him.
Good job. Here we go.
There you go.
Aaron, you fucking go.
Yeah, do that. I'm on it. Touchdown.
There we go.
They so pulled up and playing in their zone. He should have followed them. When it was second and whatever, we could have still been upfield.
One hand. Oh! He tried to throw it in the air. He stuck his hand out. Yeah, they all.
Hey, back up a little bit, 85. Back up a little bit. Go, come on. Nice.
That's an easy kill shot, Coach.
Hey, everybody hit.
Here we go.
He never said it.
I didn't know
Adjustments, you know what I'm saying? Doing good, locking them down. They got one play with Johnny, you know what I'm saying, receiver. Other than that, containment. They want to get the ball to Thurston. They're throwing a little different tricks in there. But, like I say, we on it.
Right. Coach.
Hey, Coach.
Come on, Thurston, let's go. Come on.
Press him. Deago. Get up here.
Come on. Let's go, Deago. That boy, y'all got it. Come on. DT. There we go. There we go. Go. What happened?
Ain't nobody thought of it, Marcus. Take off, bro. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Good shit, Bird. Good shit.
Thirsty.
Johnny.
A big body now,
Out there.
You all right?
Wait room a little more.
They got him on the ball.
Ain't a run CK yet.
In order to get 2 plays.
There we go. Yeah, come on.
There you go, Bird. There you go, Bird.
There you go. Good shit, bro.
Yeah.
There you go, Bird. Turn up then, Bird. It's your game.
Listen, you know this is gonna be a pass. You guys, y'all know this is gonna be a pass, right? They're not running the ball. Everybody play tight, do your job. All right? Don't let anything get outside. We're gonna get pressure up the middle. Everybody just do your job, stay in base.
Hey.
Good shit, man.
Halftime report.
Good red zone stop. Good red zone stop. Pull down. And stand strong. They still only got what, 6 points? 6 what, 14? Offense up first. Run it.
We are not the same, bro. I repeat. We are not the same fucking.
14-6. Do some Skittles. Do some Skittles. I'll score next play.
Damn!
Y'all just go ahead. Get ready to come get you. Hold on, bro. Just do it in front of me and leave you right over there.
Jump, huh?
Come big back!
He's down.
Hey!
Got the post. I do.
Hey.
Nigga scared of getting beat. That's why. That's what. Every time a nigga call a blitz, y'all, oh no, oh we need help. Oh, back up. Oh no. The fuck? You niggas, y'all fucking cover. Y'all the DBs. Or drop your nuts and cover.
Come on, Leon. Put a raise the belly.
Oh no. Oh this. Oh this. Oh here. Oh I can't. I need help. Listen.
Damn.
Damn,
that boy said no. No. I tried to you.
Damn. Damn, get you.
Let's go! I just called double legal in the A-gap, bro. He still got to do the A-gap.
Fuck you with A-gap to go. Hey, no, it's a run. Hey, it's a run right now. Big man. Hey, big man in. It's a run. Hey, big man in. It's a run. Smash it. Smash it. Smash it. Smash it. Smash it. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Heard me now? Leon, what we gonna do?
Shit, fellas, good shit.
Down to the wire. You know it's going to be a dog fight. You know what I'm saying? How come we got traitors on the other side? Yo.
I promise you.
Come on.
I was standing in the B-gap.
Come on. Nice.
I was standing in the B-gap.
Go.
Frank gone. Frank.
I'm standing in the B-gap because I sent them double.
Creative to the fucking problem.
Bro, what the fuck? They got the ball again. Defense on the field. Defense on the field. Let's go. I got the A. I got whoever released. I got tight end. Whoever released. What the fuck? Thurston is running. Don't worry about it.
He's loping around. It's not me.
Here we go. Come on. Yeah.
Watch your pass.
Nice. That's the ball.
Yeah.
Get back. Yep. Ball up.
Hey.
Hey, I recruited you to the Reapers. I can touch you all I want.
Came up with the dog, man. The boys I'm gonna have it, man.
You feel me? Down to hey, bro, I had little man syndrome. I had something to prove. I'm trying to hit everybody on top.
All right, be safe, dog.
I'm trying to hit
You can't hit that big ass man high, bro. I'd hit that bitch low so quick.
Hey, I feel like I had something to prove, Trail.
That's the word of the game. Finish.
Hey. That 21 to 12, that 12 to 21, vice versa. You know what it is.
I'm back there, man.
Yeah, I'm back there.
Hey, man, I better get that MVP, man. Even though I had dropped 3 of books. You feel me? That shit, no fly zone. That shit strap. We yibbity yap, yeah, all that.
Stay in the life of Birdman, baby. One more game left. Playoff run, baby. Playoffs. We gotta get ready for playoffs. We got some cleaning up to do. Listen, if it ain't no pressure, then what is it? You know what time it is. No pressure athletics, baby. Come on. Hey, great film. Let's get it.
We in the nigga season. Come on, come here. Love you, my boy.
Hey.
We don't love you.
Hey, nah, I don't want to none of that shit, cause nigga was on life alert for like 20 minutes. Like he was hurt.
played 8 games today. Still came.
Switched out on that years ago, nigga. I still like you.
Been dread longer than mine now. Alright, man.
Signing out.
Catch you later.
Really?